Avengers, collective archetypes and mythic justice. Hello and welcome back, Soul Family, to Spiritual Meanings, the place where myths, movies and meaning all come together to light your path. Whether you're joining from across the galaxy or just down the road, we are so honored to have you here. To our amazing community, thank you for showing up, commenting, subscribing, and simply being your wonderful selves. We are well on our way to 2,000 subscribers and you are truly the heart of it all. So let us know in the comments where you're tuning in from today. We'd love to say hi. Now, today's journey. We're stepping into one of the biggest modern mythologies on the planet, the Avengers. But we're not just geeking out over battles and catchphrases. We're diving into the archetypes, spiritual metaphors, and universal truths woven into this team of heroes. Let's begin with a question. Why does the world love the Avengers? Because they reflect something timeless. They are not just a superhero team. They're a modern pantheon, each one representing an archetype, a cosmic principle, a part of ourselves we're all trying to understand. Let's start with Iron Man, Tony Stark. He's the wounded genius, the mind that never rests. His armor? It's more than metal. It's the wall many of us build when we're afraid of intimacy, of failure, of vulnerability. Spiritually, he represents the alchemist, someone who transforms pain into progress. He also reminds us that even the most flawed can choose redemption. Next, Captain America, Steve Rogers. He's the pure heart, the spiritual warrior. He mirrors the archetype of King Arthur, the righteous knight, or the sacred protector. He doesn't fight for power. He fights for people, for truth. His shield is his most iconic weapon, symbolizing defense, not attack, just like Archangel Michael, protector of souls. Then we've got Thor, the literal god of thunder. In mythology, Thor is real, part of Norse tradition. But in this context, he represents spiritual descent, a god who learns what it means to be human. He's strength humbled, power reconnected with wisdom. His hammer, Mjolnir, can only be lifted by the worthy, a symbol of integrity, not might. Now let's talk about the Hulk. He's the raw shadow, the force of repressed rage. But he's also the healer. In many shamanic traditions, the one who learns to master the beast within becomes the village healer. Hulk's journey is about integration, not denial. And that's deeply spiritual. Black Widow, or Natasha Romanoff, represents the shadow feminine. Trained in deception, shaped by pain but seeking light. She echoes Kali, Lilith, even Inanna, fierce, deadly, but ultimately liberating. She's the embodiment of transformation through self-ownership. Hawkeye might seem simple, a guy with a bow. But in spiritual terms, he's the seer, the focused one. In archery, there's an ancient concept. You don't aim with the arrow. You aim with the soul. Hawkeye teaches us about precision, trust, and intuition. Now, the beauty of the Avengers isn't just in who they are, it's in how they work together. They're flawed. They argue. They break apart. But when the time comes, they align. And that's exactly what spiritual communities are meant to do. In mythology, we often see groups like the 12 Olympians, the Knights of the Round Table, the Pandavas in the Mahabharata. These aren't random groupings. They're symbolic systems, expressions of human potential, each holding a piece of the cosmic puzzle. Let's pause here and reflect. Which Avenger do you resonate with most? Are you the thinker who hides your heart like Tony? The empathic protector like Steve? The seeker of redemption like Natasha? Or maybe the thunderous soul trying to ground your storm like Thor? Leave your answer in the comments. We'd love to hear your truth. And let's not forget the villains. Loki, for instance, the trickster. He represents chaos, illusion, ego. But he's also a catalyst. Tricksters in mythology often push the hero into growth. Loki is mischief, yes, but also transformation. Then there's Thanos, the devourer. His obsession with balance echoes Kali's shadow side, or the darker interpretations of Saturn. He teaches us about the dangers of forced order, the illusion that control is the same as harmony. The Avengers show us that healing the world doesn't require perfection. It requires collaboration, humility, and courage. Even in Endgame, the spiritual message is clear. Sacrifice, love, and connection are the real superpowers. And can we take a moment to honor Vision and Wanda? Their story is the ultimate tale of love through dimensions, loss as a spiritual crucible, and the power of creation through grief. Vision literally says, "What is grief if not love persevering?" That line, pure soul medicine. So here's the takeaway. The Avengers are not superheroes. They're soul mirrors. They show us our pain, our potential, and the powerful truth that we are stronger together than apart. If this message moved something in you, we invite you to subscribe and share your thoughts below. Which archetype is calling to you right now? What team are you building in your spiritual life? Until next time, stay powerful, stay present, and keep assembling your inner truth.